Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison for you. Drone versus CuteAnt Drones. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Both drones come with a 1080p camera, allowing you to capture high-quality photos and videos. Drone offers approximately 12 minutes of flight time per battery, while CuteAnt drones provide a total of 30 minutes of flying fun with 2 batteries. Drone is designed to be beginner-friendly, with fewer steps to fly and no manual pairing required. CuteAnt drones also cater to beginners with features like one-touch takeoff, landing, and altitude hold mode. Drone offers features like voice control, trajectory flight, and speed adjustment. CuteAnt drones provide 360 degrees flips, circle flight, and gesture control. Overall, the online reviews for Drone and CuteAnt drones are positive. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. So there you have it, a comparison between Drone and CuteAnt drones. Both drones have their own unique features and advantages. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and preferences better. We hope this comparison has been helpful in making your buying decision. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.